In this video, we will see how to install XAMPP, our software that will allow us to create a local web server. So we come to Google and we're going to search for XAMPP. That's it. We are going to click on Download XAMPP in order to be able to download this software. Now, since we have a Windows operating system, we are going to take the latest version of XAMPP. That's it. So I'm just coming to the Windows level. Normally, I click on Download and I will come and download XAMPP. Logically, the download should start. If the download does not start, you will click on this button there. So I click here, and then we're going to click to launch the XAMPP download. That's it. So then we will choose to save our software on the computer. After completing the download, we will launch installing XAMPP. So I'm going to double-click directly on the file. When you launch the example installation, there is this window which will appear. You will click OK. And here's the example installation window. We will click on the next button. Now we will select the studies we will need to do web development. We will need a database server, MySQL. So I'm going to uncheck FileZilla, Mercury, Tomcat. I'm going to uncheck Perl because I'm not going to use it, and I'm going to pick up 𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻𝐵𝐻 And then fake sender mail. So we will need phpMyAdmin to connect to the database data. We will need MySQL for the database. We will need Apache so that our web server and PHP, which is lying by default. So we're going to click on Next, Next. Well, by default, there are two languages, English and then German. We're going to leave the English one. We're doing Next, then Next. Now we will wait for the installation of our XAMPP server. As soon as the installation is complete, we will be able to start work by creating a local server with XAMPP. So see you in the next video where we will continue to create sites or applications, either in WordPress or in 𝐿ARAVIL. So see you soon for the next video.